Let's go ahead and take a look at a practical example of using sessions to log in users in a login form. I'm going to go ahead and jump back to the resource pack directory, and I'm going to open up this 7th step, which is called login form with notices. I'll go ahead and copy all of the code and paste it over the code that's in the test.php file, and I'll save it. And let's go ahead and see this in action. So I'm going to jump back to the browser and refresh. So we have our form here that has a username and password, a typical login form. And if I type in random text that I know is not going to be a username password match and click login, it will say, "Oh, sorry, either the username or password was incorrect." But if we put in something that does have a match and click login, it says you have been logged in, and then we have this login link here, and it tells us, "Welcome, admin. You are logged in, enjoy." And if we click log out at this point, it will display this "you have been logged out" message and will display the form again. Now in this case, we're using a session in order to store some information about the user and the fact that they've logged in. By doing that, even though the user is navigating to other pages, we'll know that they're logged in and we can show them certain things that we might not show an anonymous user.